Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if your Wi-Fi is not working on your Lenovo laptop. So to fix this, first right click on the start icon. Now select device manager. In the device manager window, look for the network adapters entry and expand it. Now here you will see the Wi-Fi adapter. Right click on it and select uninstall device. Now make sure to tick this checkbox and select uninstall again. After that, simply go ahead and restart your computer and your issue will be solved. If this does not work, open the search menu and type view network connections. Now select the first result that appears. In the network connections window, right click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select properties. In the properties window, select the IPv4 option and then click on properties. In this menu, select the use DNS server option and then type in 8.8.8.8 and then in the second box type in 8.8.4.4. Now select this checkbox and click OK. After that, try using your Wi-Fi again and see if it works. If this does not work, right click on the start icon and select terminal admin. In the terminal admin window, you will need to type the command shown on the screen one by one and hit enter after each one. After running these commands, simply go ahead and restart your computer and your issue will be solved. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.